The topic we're going to talk about in the tutorial is about traffic signs. First, we'll give a little introduction about traffic signs or road signs, Lina Restrepo. After this, Geraldine Núñez will talk about traffic signs in Colombia, and then Mayeli Baron will finish with traffic lights. After giving this brief introduction, we'll show on how to learn to drive. We'll mention the steps on how to learn to drive. First, turn the key in the ignition.
Then look in the mirror for oncoming traffic. Then press down in the clutch.
Put the car into first gear
And take off emergency brake.
Gently press the accelerator.
Look over your shoulder.
Bring the clutch up slowly.
And move forward.
Yeah, that's all that we have to do. We're going to give instructions on how to learn to drive. The first step is, first, turn the key in the ignition.
Then look in the mirror for oncoming traffic.
Then press down on the clutch.
Put the car into first gear. And take off the emergency brake.
Gently press the accelerator.
Look over your shoulder. Bring the clutch up slowly. And move forward.
A traffic warning sign is a traffic sign that indicates danger ahead on the road that may not be really apparent to a driver. Headlight signs are traffic signs erected along the side of roads to provide vehicle information to operators. Since volumes have increased over the last 8 decades, many countries have adopted pictorial signs to help enhance traffic safety. Animals crossing the roadway. Signs may warn of farm animals like dogs, donkeys, horses, and cows that may stray onto the road. Odd vehicles crossing the roadway. Also equipment like tractors, four-wheelers, and ibagues crossing or traveling along the road. Hears and corns. These signs indicate that the hair are dangerous or unexpected bends in the road, some being continuous and others very sharp indeed. Pedestrians crossing. These signs may warn drivers of people walking in the street. They may also be used to warn drivers of children playing, playgrounds, bicycle area, and deaf and blind pedestrians. Falling rocks. These signs indicate us about hazards of fallen rocks or falling rocks on the road ahead. These signs warn drivers of oncoming traffic.
Traffic signs in Colombia are classified into three categories: warning signs, mandatory signs, and information signs. Warning signs, they are yellow diamond shaped with a black symbol. Mandatory signs, they are circular with a red border and a black symbol. And information signs, they have many shapes and colors. Principally, they are blue with a black symbol, and in many cases, these signs have an information letter below the symbol. Stop. This proposes to order the driver to completely stop the vehicle and move it only when it completely eliminates the possibility of an accident, because if failure, a serious accident may result. G. Drivers indicate that they must give way to vehicles passing by the street. It's not necessary to stop if there is space and time to cross. No right turn is used to indicate the driver cannot turn right at the point where is the signal. No left turn is used to indicate the driver cannot turn left at the point where is the signal. No U-turn is used to indicate the driver cannot turn 180 degrees, though so disrupts the movement of other vehicles and could cause a serious accident.
Traffic lights, which may also be known as stop lights, traffic lamps, traffic signals, stop and go lights, and robots are signaling devices positioned at road intersections, pedestrian crossing and other locations to control competing flows of traffic. Typically, traffic lights consist of a set of three light colors: red, yellow, and green. Red signals prohibit any traffic from proceeding the road. Yellow. This light signal traffic prepared to stop the driver. And green. This light signal let the driver to proceed in the direction denoted. Information signs. First, aid station. A station providing emergency care or treatment before regular medical aid can be obtained. Restaurant is a public place where food can be obtained by patrons or servers. Mechanical help. If your car broke down, you can fix it in these places. Filling station, gas station, or service station is a facility which sells fuel and lubricants for motor vehicles.